Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to discuss the implementation of ISO 10002, the international standard for customer satisfaction guidelines for complaints handling in organizations in various organizational contexts. ISO 10002 provides a framework for organizations to effectively handle customer complaints and feedback regardless of their size, industry or sector. Let's explore how organizations can tailor the implementation of ISO 10002 to suit their specific contexts and requirements. Small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. For SMEs, implementing ISO 10002 may involve adopting simplified complaint handling processes that are easy to implement and manage with limited resources. SMEs can focus on core principles such as customer engagement, responsiveness, and continuous improvement to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Large enterprises and multinational corporations. Large enterprises and multinational corporations may face greater complexity in implementing ISO 10002 due to scale of their operations and diverse customer base. These organizations can benefit from establishing centralized complaint handling systems, leveraging technology for data management and analysis, and implementing standardized processes across multiple business units and geographical locations. Service industries. In service industries such as hospitality, healthcare, and financial services, implementing ISO 10002 requires a customer-centric approach that prioritizes responsiveness and empathy. Service organizations can focus on training frontline staff in complaint handling skills, implementing service recovery protocols, and leveraging customer feedback to drive service improvements. Manufacturing and product-based industries. In manufacturing and product-based industries, ISO 10002 implementation involves integrating complaint handling processes with quality management systems. Organizations can focus on product quality, reliability, and safety, ensuring that customer complaints are promptly addressed and corrective actions are taken to prevent recurrence. Public sector and non-profit organizations. Public sector agencies and non-profit organizations can also benefit from implementing ISO 10002 to enhance stakeholder satisfaction and trust. These organizations can focus on transparency, accountability, and citizen engagement, ensuring that complaints are handled fairly and that feedback is used to drive service improvements and policy changes. In conclusion, implementing ISO 10002 in various organizational contexts requires a tailored approach that considers the unique needs, challenges, and objectives of each organization. By adopting a customer-centric mindset, leveraging best practices outlined in ISO 10002, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, organizations can effectively handle customer complaints, drive customer satisfaction, and achieve organizational success. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.